Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, Starting Data Analytics with Generative AI and Python, written by Artur Guia, Marlena Siwiak, and Marian Siwiak.
This book aims to guide you in using generative AI to improve business operations, particularly data analytics. Generative AI models can help prepare data for analysis, guide users through different avenues of exploration, suggest solutions, help implement those solutions through code generation, and then assist in the interpretation of results. It's important to understand how these AI models work and their limitations to use them effectively and safely. Generative AI models like LLMs are powerful, and their abilities grow rapidly as new versions are developed. However, they have specific limitations that users need to be aware of. First of all, they lack true understanding and can provide outdated or incorrect information depending on what data was used to train them and how large the models are. While most models can maintain context across prompts, they have token limits that restrict their memory and attention. They can be overly verbose or respond in patterns, and some may produce biased or inappropriate content. Although multimodal models are being developed, most of them are based on text and have limited ability to process or produce visual or audio information. Users must be aware of these limitations to interact with and apply generative AI effectively. Generative AI complements other data analytics tools by processing and generating human language, guiding users through analysis, generating code, and explaining results in natural language. While these tools can suggest data pre-processing methods, statistical tests, visualization techniques, and generate code in various programming languages, it's crucial to verify and test their output, as they shouldn't be blindly trusted. Most generative AI models can perform complex quantitative analysis or interact directly with databases or APIs. For complex quantitative tasks and database interaction, generative AI may require integration with specialized tools or custom solutions. To become adept at interacting with generative AI, there are multiple ways to engage with AI advisors. ChatGPT can be accessed through the OpenAI website, which is user-friendly and cost-effective for most interactions. The OpenAI API allows for programmatic access to ChatGPT, supporting various languages and enabling custom applications and analytics dashboards. Many LLMs can be accessed programmatically, for example using Python code, to send prompts and receive responses. They can also be integrated into third-party applications for coding, workflow automation, and data visualization. To successfully integrate generative AI, define clear objectives, understand the API SDK, use compatible data formats, manage costs, handle errors, verify outputs, maintain data security, stay informed, and utilize community resources. The book showcases practical applications of generative AI in data analytics, highlighting its benefits and potential pitfalls.
Get this book at manning.com